everyone, welcome back to Terratin. If you have ever dreamed of working and living abroad, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into some of the best career options for those looking to settle in a new country. Whether you are into tech, healthcare, or any other field, we have got you covered. Let's jump right in. Technology and IT. First up, we have got technology and IT. This field is booming all over the world. Jobs like software developers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts are in high demand. Countries like Canada, Germany, and Australia are particularly welcoming to tech professionals. For instance, Canada's express entry system can fast-track your immigration if you're a tech expert. It's a fantastic opportunity to advance your career while exploring a new country. Next up is healthcare. No matter where you go, healthcare professionals are always needed. From physicians to nurses, there are opportunities everywhere. Countries such as the UK, Australia, and Canada have strong healthcare systems and are actively seeking qualified professionals. Australia, for example, offers various skilled migration visas for healthcare workers. If you're in this field, you're in luck. Engineering is another great option. Civil, mechanical, electrical, and environmental engineers are in high demand globally. Germany, the Netherlands, and Canada are key players in the engineering sector. Germany's Blue Card program is a great way for engineers to move to Europe. If you have the skills, these countries offer excellent career options. Finance and accounting. Financial analysts, accountants, and auditors have a strong presence in the global job market. Switzerland, Singapore, and the USA are notable for their thriving financial sectors. These countries offer competitive salaries and excellent career growth opportunities for finance professionals. Education and academia. If teaching is your passion, consider a career in education and academy. There are many opportunities to teach and conduct research abroad. Finland, the Netherlands, Canada are known for their high-quality education systems. They often seek skilled educators, especially in higher education. If you have advanced degrees or teaching experience, you might find your next opportunity in one of these countries. Skilled trades. Skilled trades are also a solid choice. Electricians, plumbers, and carpenters are in high demand worldwide. Australia, Canada, and New Zealand are particularly welcoming to skilled tradespeople. These countries have specific immigration programs to attract skilled workers in various trades, offering good working conditions and benefits. Creative industries. Are you a creative professional? Careers in design, media, and arts are flourishing in vibrant cities around the world. The USA, the UK, and France are renowned for their creative industries. If you have a strong portfolio and some experience, these countries offer exciting opportunities to work on creative projects. Hospitality and tourism. Hospitals and tourism are also great fields to consider. Roles like hotel managers, chefs, and travel experts are needed in many popular destinations. Spain, Italy, and Thailand are known for their hospitality and tourism sectors. These countries often look for skilled professionals to enhance their tourism industry. Business and management roles are in demand worldwide. Careers in business development, project management, and consulting offer various opportunities. The USA, Switzerland, and Singapore are great places for business professionals. Each country has its unique business culture and career advancement opportunities. Finally, let's discuss about environment, science, and sustainability. Careers in this field are growing as more countries focus on sustainability. Sweden, Denmark, and Canada are leaders in sustainability and offer numerous opportunities in environmental, science, and renewable energy. If you are passionate about making a difference, these countries provide great career prospects. If you would like a free consultation, please fill out the form available in the description and pin comments below. And that wraps up our list of the best career options for settling abroad. No matter what field you are in, there are amazing opportunities waiting for you around the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.